Hello kids, look here. This road is straight. ये रोड सीधा है and this train track is also straight. ये ट्रेन की पटरी भी सीधी है. So kids, today we will learn straight lines. बच्चों, straight line goes straight. It does not bend. ये लाइन सीधी होती है. These tree trunks is also straight. ये पेड़ के तने भी सीधे हैं. These electric poles are also straight. ये electric poles भी सीधे हैं. Kids, this is ruler. This ruler is also straight. ये ruler सीधा है. Now draw a straight line and practice. Pause the screen and practice बच्चों. Very good. Now tell me which line is straight. Yes, line on left side. Download free worksheet link in my video description. Please like, share and subscribe.